In this tutorial, I'll show you how to model and render an abstract art. Let's create an icosphere. S to scale and Shift D to duplicate. I'll rename the original mesh as O and the duplicated mesh as S, so we can identify them easily. We need to duplicate once more, scale it, and rename it W to be used as a wireframe mesh. Select S and Shift Select W. Ctrl P to parent it. We need to instance it on the vertices like this. Let's add metallic materials to the meshes. We need one more wireframe mesh, and have red spheres instead. Let's rotate the outer shell a bit. Let's create a background mesh. Ctrl 1 to subdivide. Right-click and shade Smooth to smooth the surface. If we render the scene like this, we won't be able to see anything. That's because the background mesh is blocking the HDRI light. Let's add 2-point lights. Let's turn off Use Nodes under Compositing. I'll also use 32 samples to render. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.